Website builder software solutions are plenty, all with their own set of features and integrations. Nevertheless, very few offer solutions in web building, e-commerce, hosting and domain, SEO, and branding, all in one place. But the tool we will present to you today has all of this and much more. In this video, we will present Zyro, a website builder that enables you to create beautiful websites or e-commerce sites in under an hour, even if you have no prior experience with website building or management. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for you and your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Zyro makes it easy to develop outstanding websites and online stores by providing faultless templates, simple modifications, and no coding required. With Zyro, you will get a high-quality website that loads quickly, increase the number of paying clients who visit your site, and improve your search engine ranking. Zyro's robust e-commerce builder can handle every aspect of your online business without taking a share of your income. Besides, many professional website features are built into every Zyro template, ensuring your site is easily found by search engines like Google and others. Let's see the main features this great platform has for you. Zyro's drag-and-drop website builder has all the features to create outstanding websites. In addition, there are no limits to what you can put on your website. The drag-and-drop website builder is designed for newbies and small business owners who construct websites for the first time. Built-in content blocks, AI tools, and a simple editor enable anyone to create a unique website with little to no code. Zyro has over 100 designer-made website themes that you can easily customize with the drag-and-drop editor. To get started, drag parts into a blank template or select one of the pre-categorized templates. The drag-and-drop website builder makes it simple to add landing pages, image galleries, and other critical features to your website. Nowadays, most website traffic originates from mobile devices, hence all Zyro templates are mobile responsive by default. Your website will immediately switch to a smooth mobile version when viewed on a mobile device. With Zyro, you'll be able to build your online store and use a suite of powerful AI tools and marketing integrations to manage, promote, and develop your business online. Your online business can start selling by following 5 basic steps. First, sign up for a Zyro account to use the online store builder. Then, for free, choose from over 100 professionally developed website designs tailored to your business's needs and start building your e-commerce website. The Shop Builder can then be used to create product listings for your e-commerce site and your company email address. It's time to start adding some tools. You can create a professional logo, design a business name, or improve the layout of your online store to increase sales using Zyro's AI business tools. Shipping, delivery, and taxation are all simplified with these instruments. Finally, choose the online store plan that best matches your needs. Launch your online store and start selling. In addition to your website, Zyro allows you to sell on Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon. Zyro's e-commerce program accepts more than 70 of the most common payment methods. Payment options include PayPal, Visa, Stripe, MasterCard, and more. Zyro has domains for all types of businesses. You can sign up and start building your online brand or business in less than a minute. Zyro's free domain saves you time and money. With a website, online store, or advanced store plan, you get a free domain registration for the first year. Zyro's innovative features will change the way people design websites and online commerce. You can create a remarkable online presence with the help of AI. This platform can give any of the above domain names. You will be able to select a domain name that best represents your organization and its values. After this, you can contact customer service to get your domain. All Zyro websites are permanently hosted for free. Therefore, your web hosting is free, and you can count on the most reliable web hosting available. Websites created by Zyro are optimized from the start. The website builder removes the guesswork from SEO, allowing you to concentrate on growing your company. Some website builders give tools that are unhelpful and difficult to use. Zyro, on the other hand, has integrated optimization into the builder. Your website will be fast, dependable, secure, and Google-friendly thanks to Zyro. In addition, the platform includes analytics tools to help you improve your website even further. When you use Zyro for SEO, each page has the best chance of ranking well in search engines. Besides, the AI writer creates unique and search engine optimized content on any topic. All Zyro templates are optimized by default, and any content generated by the AI writer is keyword-rich. As a result, all of your pages will have the necessary meta information, allowing you to connect to them appropriately. As you have seen, Zyro is an excellent platform that provides complete services from security to web design, providing excellent websites and online stores, leaving you no need to use any external tools to keep your business going. If you want to use Zyro services, you can do so by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.